Lovelies, welcome back to our channel. It is Mary's World. How are we all doing today? Thank you for your continued support. Thank you for your kind comments, and thank you for your thoughts in this channel. I really love you guys, and I can love you guys more. Okay, today I'm gonna be sharing with us my recipe, how I lose weight naturally and belly fat, and also how I take care of cold and stuffy nose and all that, using my ginger lemon tea with just a bit of garlic into it. Okay guys, we know that this ginger lemon tea has a lot of health benefit, yes. And just to let you guys know, I'm gonna boil it down for 10 minutes, then let it to cool down, and I take it on an empty stomach, like early in the morning and late at night before I go to bed, and I am all good and feeling wonderful. Okay guys, at this junction, please, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and join us. Join us. Please use your grandfather's phone, grandmother's phone, uncle's phone, auntie's phone, enemy's phone, nephew's phone, and join us, guys. Okay, so let us quickly see some of the benefit of lemon and ginger. Okay guys, lemon and ginger, when added together, it's a superfood, and it has a lot of benefit. It helps you on your blood sugar, it helps you on your metabolism. Yes, it helps you to burn calories, and it helps you to stay fit. It works against colds. This has a very big essential vitamins and minerals properties. Yes, these are two powerhouse jam-packed together. It helps you control your blood sugar, and it helps you trim down naturally, guys. No side effect. Yes, no side effect, because this is all nature to man. And when you take it early in the morning, you're looking so energized. It helps your digestive system to work properly. It's just amazing. The health benefits are numerous. So guys, you can also look it up on the net, and you're gonna find the health benefit of lemon and ginger. Okay guys, so our tea is ready. I'm just gonna take it. Sorry, I'm not gonna be sharing this with us, but I'm gonna see us on my next video. Bye, lovies.